everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. If you're watching me for a while, you probably know I love fermented food. And today I want to show you one of my essentials, something what I do not live probably a day without. My children for sure, they don't live even one day without. It's their go-for drink because we don't drink milk. We don't drink milk because we do not have good milk around. I just don't have farm nearby. But what I do, I ferment milk. I try to get from farmer's market if it's available. If not, I'm buying organic in a grocery and I ferment. I make kefir. Kefir, it's a fermented drink that people use for 1,000 years, and just something what has so much good bacteria, and it's 99% lactose free. So for those people who are not good with dairy, even with yogurt, kefir is probably a drink for you. And I know some people, one of my friends who couldn't consume yogurt, but they're okay with kefir. So today I'm showing you how to make kefir and then kefir cheese. So for the kefir, you need milk and you need grains, and I will show you how to make kefir. So you need the grains, and grains I'll show you. It's we'll get grains. All you need is this little sifter and some kind of glass, or I like to use glass container. And all you need, just sift this kefir. It's already made, and I will show you what you need. So all you need just to it's so easy. In the summer, it ferments so fast. Every 12 hours you can make. In the winter, every 24 hours. And this is kefir grains. That's the stuff you will get. There are so many recipes to use kefir, and I will link below several I already have on the website, and many in the future I will share with you. I just love kefir for many reasons, and if you like, I can send you these grains, and just comment below if you're interested, and I'm happy to share with you. So all you need to add about 1 teaspoon of these grains per jar. So it's 1 pint, and you need to add milk. Try to not pour all the way. Leave like 1 inch, and then cover, and that's all. Leave for 12 hours. It's very warm right now. That's how I usually keep, and next day I do the procedures, the one you just saw. It's so easy, and let's continue. And I like to keep in my fridge in some mason jars, and my kids drink all the time. She loves kefir. Sometimes I make, actually not sometimes, quite a bit often, I make kefir smoothie, and I have several recipes on my website, or smoothie bowl for breakfast. This particular child loves just kefir plain, nothing added, nothing. You can do second fermentation, which is mean you add to this existing kefir, you add little bit of fruit, little bit of sugar, basically, food for your good bacteria, and they are multiplied and become even more powerful drink next day. And this drink, it's very good for people who worry about inflammation. Inflammation, it's a big problem, and it's very healing drink. And I do a lot, and I try to do every couple of days a lot versus 1 jar every day. I don't have time to do every day, so I do every 2-3 days, and it saves me time. And we have about 1 teaspoon again. They are multiplied so fast, so if you start making within 1 week, you will have 1 tablespoon, then 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. You will not know what to do with them. And in a full blog in the description below, I will leave much more information about kefir and what can be done and why should you drink kefir every day. So this goes same place. So now you saw how easy to make kefir, and let me show you how to make kefir cheese. Kefir cheese is the same health benefits, right? But will remove weight, remove water, liquid. And the way you can use for many recipes, like for smoothie, for instance. It has the same bacteria, has a lot of minerals and all goodness, but the kefir cheese, that's what we're going to extract from kefir, and there will be more thick consistency, almost like cream cheese, I would say. And you can use, in fact, in recipes for cream cheese, if you want spread on bread, instead of, for people who don't like kefir drink, this is a great opportunity to have your kefir cheese on your bread for breakfast or whatever you like to use. So here's what you need. Again, some kind of glass container, sifter. I'm using this sack, and I got, I forgot where I got, but I had I had many of them, and I'm using for when I make cheese, or use regular cheesecloth. And coffee filters, regular coffee filters. If you have the one unbleached, it's better. And you need double coffee filters, and that's all you need. And your kefir, even if you're buying kefir, try to buy the one is not low fat. It's more solid and more liquidy. The more fat, the better, trust me. So now all you need to put this little sag on top, and then place this coffee filter here. And pour kefir. So I like to cover in a place in the fridge to drain, kind of like this. It will drain from, you see it's draining already, dripping. Whey is dripping down and will end up on top of with kefir cheese and on bottom with whey. You can drain as it is in room temperature, just hold together all this cheesecloth, but I like to do in the fridge for overnight or so. Look, I just took from a fridge, and 24 hours later, look how much whey I got. So this is a rich probiotic beverage, and you can use for smoothie, make a shot, or use as marinade meat, or kind of like a lemon juice in a dressing. You can do so many things. I even use some product for my skin. You can do so many things. It's a rich probiotic and very healthy thing. Do not throw away. If you don't like use as it is, use as buttermilk when you make your pancakes. But here on top we got a cheese. And sometimes if I really want very thick like cream cheese consistency, I would hand like this, and maybe for another couple of hours, and I will get even more thicker. But today I'm going to use this for my next video, which is you're going to watch my next episode. It's ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and this consistency is just fine for me. So here's a kefir cheese. It's beautiful as it is, nice to put on your toast or on really anything. You can make a dipping sauce, and I have beautiful savory, very umami flavor with smoked oysters dip. It's so good with this kefir cheese and many recipes. So please make this kefir cheese. Your gut will be thankful, and it's easy for picky eaters who don't like drink kefir. In the video description below, I will write all health benefits and what you can do with this whey. So don't throw away, save it. And for kefir cheese, I like just to garnish with some fruit, berries, and it's perfect for breakfast. Sometimes I like to have for breakfast on my homemade English muffin, and I will link below the recipe, of course. It has sourdough, look, it's beautiful. And I like just to toast sometimes and spread with this kefir cheese. It's a perfect breakfast. Don't forget, subscribe me if you like this video, give me a like, share with your friends, make this delicious, easy, quick cheese, and switch. Sometimes it's nice to switch from cream cheese. It's so much better for you, and easy incorporates this easy cheese, everyday cheese I call, for millions of recipes. And I will link below very similar, related, and where you can use this cheese and why you need to eat more fermented food in your daily life. Bye, see you next time.